Ay, steeping po ni wow.
Steeping. Skipping.
I underestimated the habit. Oh! Woo! Lutong na lutong crackers. Okay pa? Blurry vision? Kiti kayo. Nagka-blurry vision. I underestimated the heaviness of this one. Sige, awang kusgan oh. 80 kilos.
Kaya nakasulod mo rin.
Starting very early. Today is Monday.
Ay ko.
Ay, konti lang. Mapanlat. Small space. Yeah. Lubuting. Hawak ko ang bit. Sabra. Look. Balik ka.
Video is sponsored by Happy Peanuts. Cool beans. That will be the line going to the outdoor spigot over by the wall over here. So that'll be pulled over there too. We gotta cut this pipe right here and bring it back over here. So the outlet will be on the wall right here. Right about there is what it should be.
Lupot.
One more.
Need one more.
I think we have another elbow. Hold on, let me see what we got.
It's got a lot of extras over here. Kay malantaw gud ang kaagi. Ryan right there ordering rebar. Because we're they didn't tie it securely, so they kept stopping and stopping and stopping.
It's right here. Thank you.
Binubuksan tayo ng bubuhat pero sila
Hala, artista kay Gnong ay. Mr. Muscle, oh. Mr. Muscle. Missy. Ooh. It's gone. Nag-extension na?
Nope. That's the other one. You want to try it? You want to try weld?
Kasulay na kaning? Go try. For the try, good.
For that try. For the one.
For grandma and grandpa, you can do it. Hello. Explica rin, Peter, unsaon? Kamu siya? Ah, lahi ra pa din ni bata. Nagilim-hilom ra man din ni. Nagpahambol man din ang akong pamangkon. Lahi siya.
Hold on. Here, Jay. These right here. See those two? The one from the bottom. Okay. Hold on. I got welding glasses. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'll help you.
Dito ka kita aning kun.
Yeah, he can't see clearly.
Wala, murag na sabi sigat.
Ati ba?
Okay, sulaw.
Nakasulay naman ta gamit ani.
Sulaw.
Sulaw.
Ang
Alihi. Tabuni diri ba? Tabuni og trapo.
Ah, kay mo shining bright pud siya dire. Sakto.
Moaya gyud yo.
Is it shiny?
Oh, that's why. That's why he couldn't see. You gotta get closer. Here.
Huh?
Put this on. It's okay.
Try daw.
Okay lang.
Now get closer.
Paduol daw kayo.
See it?
Ay, Ginoo. Gipandungan.
It'll go dark when you see it.
Damn, that's shiny. Sparkly. Titira kaya, narakas mayong kamot.
Alright, go ahead.
Go.
Don't. It's okay. You can hit it. Go ahead.
Di mo kita pre.
Go ahead.
He can't see.
Well, the sun, you gotta get closer.
Paduol daw. Paduol pa.
Here, wear these. Here. Okay.
Di ko kita gid.
Nagpiyong naman pa dahil siya itong itabangan siya, Brian.
Okay, one man.
Ay, pakita yung naungra daw. Asa magkaanak nga makita naman siya.
You gotta stay close. Closer. There you go. Close, close. Sige. Sige kayo.
Sige kayo.
As it burns down, you gotta push it in. It's okay. It's good.
Yay! Good job! You did it! You did it! He won't be able to sleep tonight. So proud of
Are the
you.
glasses easier than this?
Asa masayon?
Yeah.
Peter prefer that one also. The glasses kind. Ito man eh. May tubig. Bubo rin.
Ayun, iba rin dito.
You have to get Papa's XRM for me also.
Bukan kayo. Nangga kayo maribig. Utang na.
Yeah, I'll do that. This one sticks weird, but it's
Oh no, big. You get the.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine.
so close. It's almost lunchtime. Sure.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. That's a big chunk. If that will fall. Sige, go. Woo! Run. Yay! You did it. I like the flowers of this tree. Yeah. Yeah. It's a fire tree, they call it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Ooh. Perfect. That's good. Lunch break now.
Dos, tiene dos, tres. Kurang ada yang timbang berapa? Ada break.
Just tighten that here too.
Oh, okay.
Hold me just for once.
If we hold on together.
Nakatrima ni kanta rin bata.
Congratulations na.
Ah.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, sige.
Sungag mangguga ng
Nagtago ako dre. Nagtago ako. I'm hiding.
tago bara ko.
Hindi.
Si bani mo tuming bara. Ay, tago bara ko.
Inom og kape.
This right here is pushing the board out. This little lip.
Pwede raw kira na.
That right there is pushing the board out. There's a gap.
Ah, gamay. Susunod pa ito.
Nasi.
Mm,
Bafyak.
Ito, may sarap, Batangas.
Machete. Machete.
Machete.
Machete. What do you think?
Very good. Guwapo. Patalam na ito. Ako bugod eh.
Yeah, please.
Dali ka. Dito eh.
Machete. Ang dili machete ko. Machete.
Ang tawag ka na. Asa flash of it?
Ada biron?
Ayolah, ako lang po siya. Nakalansang?
Unsa kadra ko?
4. 3. 4 lah. Mantay ako. Pwede.
Ina nakataas ang kuning. Bongbong.
Mas taas pa ni mo sumpayo ra na to play ko.
Eh, taas pa. Uy,
Madugang ko man dito pero.
sakto.
Dami ra iya istok di man diri.
Oh.
Darling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No.